Okay, so now that we have the bottom brace on, we're going to install the seat. Same basic idea. There's 4 bolts to put in to hold it in place. I usually like to put the 2 back bolts in first, just to kind of hold it, and it kind of helps if you have another person to kind of hold the seat while you're doing that. But once you get those 2 installed, it's just a simple matter of lifting your seat up, finding the other holes, and installing them. Put in your washers and your lock nuts on, and just get them started though. Don't crank them down just yet, because we'll need it a little bit loose to get our back installed. So that's going to be next.